Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I'm doing something different. This is for class, I suppose. But, yeah, I'm going to be talking about Resident Evil and the Newton's law of everything. So the game starts with Chris Redfield. Yes, that Chris Redfield. Anyways, he's a member of the BSAA, arriving in Africa to investigate illegal bioweapons. He meets his partner, Chev. 1 second. Shiva Alamar. Okay, thank you. That's easier. Anyways, and together they search a town where a virus has infected people and turned them into enemies called Majinin. At the beginning of the game, the Majinin often stand around normally until Chris and Cheve interact with them. This connects to the first Newton's law, which says objects stay at rest unless a force acts on them. When Chris and Cheve attack or move near them, that force causes the enemies to start moving and chasing them. The story continues. Chris and Cheve start to fight through villages, mines, and laboratories to stop the spread of infection. During these battles, players use different weapons like pistols, rifles, shotguns. This connects to Newton's second law, which states that the force of equals mass times acceleration. Stronger weapons apply more force, which causes enemies to move backwards faster than they are hit. Later in the story, Chris discovers the main villain is Albert Wesker. What's that music? What's? Oh no.
7 minutes. 7 minutes is all I can spare to play with you. Here I am offering you my precious time, and you waste it by running around.
Anyways, when Chris finally confronts Wesker, their fight shows Newton's third law, which says for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. When Wesker punches or throws someone, the force of his attack pushes the other person backwards. The stronger the action, the stronger the reaction. Ooh, that was so tough. In the final part of the game, Chris and Cheve chase Wesker to the volcanic area for their last battle. After a long fight, they finally stopped his plans and escape safely. In conclusion, Resident Evil 5 is an action horror game about stopping a dangerous virus, but the movement and combat in the game can also show examples of Newton's third law of motions, second law of motions, and first law of motions. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, I literally worked all night on it, so please like and subscribe. Yeah, I need to get way more subscribers. The video's over. You guys can leave now.
Seven minutes. 7 minutes is all I can spare to play with you.